All right, Rankin family, welcome back to another video. So today we have a Perry Homes right here in Magnolia, Texas. And this one is absolutely gorgeous. Now we do have over $100,000 in upgrades in this one, but as we like to do, I always want to bring the best of the best to this channel so that way you can understand what you could get out here in Texas. As soon as you walk in, you're going to have your double doors. Now you are going to have 10 glass panes on this one. And as soon as you walk in, you're greeted your beautiful foyer. So you do have your tray ceilings on top with the two chandeliers back to back right over there. And right to the right, you are greeted with your nice size study. You got ceramic tile in here, and that continues throughout here. You have plenty of space. You have your double French doors right there. You got the high ceilings that continues in here. Plus you have the windows with the window grids with the 6-inch ledge right there. And let's continue on. And then we'll start right here to the right. And I always want to make sure that I open every single door so that way you can see what you get as far as storage space, hidden doors, and things like that. And this will be your first bedroom. You have that unique chandelier coming down. You got carpet inside the bedrooms right here. So this, just to give you a reference of the size of the room, you have a queen size bed right there, 2 nightstands and a dresser. And this is what you're working with. So you definitely have enough space. Like I always mention, Perry Homes, they do a great job of adding enough space inside of these bedrooms just from a practical standpoint, which is fantastic because a lot of times you might see some bedrooms, but once you start adding some furniture in there, you start to realize you don't have as much room as you thought. And then right here, you have your stainless steel lighting fixture. You have that wooden mirror frame right there. Got your quartz countertops with your gray cabinetry. You got stainless steel knobs in there. And then this one, you'll have a shower tub combo. And if you notice in your tub, it's almost like a light gray. Very unique. Usually you see the white tubs, but you have your stainless steel lighting fixture again in there. So you definitely have uniformity. And that was a Jack and Jill bath. And then now you have your second bedroom right here. Got your stainless steel chandelier coming down, same size or very similar in size bedroom, carpet inside of here again. And this will be your walk-in closet. And then we'll head out to the secondary hallway right here. And then you have another little closet right here. And then this will be your utility room. So you got the built-in cabinets on top right there with the cabinet crowns, massive oversized washer and dryer, and you still have enough room in here to walk. You could easily put a countertop right here so that way you can easily fold clothes or what have you, just depending on what you need. And then right across this hall, you'll have your powder bath right here. And then this will be your great room. So you have that oversized exposed beam right there. And then you have your nice electric fireplace right here. You got the stone on that one. And look how much space you have inside of here. You have the nice sliding glass door that we always love. Even going into your kitchen, you have this space right here for your dining table. You got the white cabinetry with the cabinet crowns on top as well. This one, you have the stacked cabinets again, which definitely adds an elegant look. You have the quartz countertops, plus you have that nice size island right here with the built-in sink inside of there. Beautiful backsplash that definitely adds a unique touch. You got your wooden range hood again, built-in double oven. We definitely love the built-in double oven with the microwave as well. And then you have brass handles on the cabinets. And then you got your 2 lighting fixtures overlooking your island as well. If you can imagine, just imagine having all the family inside of here while you're cooking over there, or whoever's cooking, maybe your chef or whoever's the best cook in the family. And then right here, you have a nice game room. So we've showcased a couple plans that have the double French doors on there. Almost looks like a study, but this definitely is a game room right here as they've gotten it set up right here. So I've gotten questions about, well, is there 2 studies? Or I mean, if you really wanted to, you could use it as a study, right? But I would highly recommend using this room as a game room or a media room. Okay. And then you do have the nice size LED ceiling fan right there as well. You even got your windows on top that adds more natural light in here for you. And then this is your primary bedroom. Look how beautiful that chandelier is right there. Have that brass trim. And look how much size you have in here. You got the ceramic tile that continues in here as well. Plenty of windows for natural light, which is an absolute plus. You definitely got plenty of space. Let me know in the comments what you folks think about carpet, or at least a rug, in the rooms. Do you like it? Do you dislike it? Would you rather just keep the ceramic tile just bare and how it is? Really, to each his own. Look how large this soak-in tub is right here. You have your standalone tub. You got your his and her sink with the quartz countertops. Again, beautiful lighting fixture with the mirror framing as well on both sides. And you even have the vanity area right here, essentially separated. So for all the ladies right there, you are good to go. And then you have your walk-in shower right here. You got double points of entry, and you have 2 primary closets inside of here as well. So perfect. You definitely can keep them separated from the fellas. Sometimes it gets messy in here, so I know the ladies love to have their own little space that they can have. And this will be the second primary closet. Got more space over here as well. And I made sure to have the wide angle lens on so that way you can see. So let me know what you think if you can see the entire property with a wide angle lens. And of course, if you're a returning viewer, welcome back. Always glad to have you. And if this is your first time to the channel, my name is Marcus Rank, and I am a Texas realtor. I get calls, texts, and emails every single week from folks looking to make a move out here. So if you're in that bucket now or in the future, you can always reach out to the information below. Definitely get you taken care of. And consider hitting that subscribe button. I'd love for you to become a part of the Rankin family. That would be fantastic. And this will be your pantry right here. Okay, so let's go take a look at the backyard patio. And this one's covered. And if you notice, you have the high ceilings, the cathedral-like ceilings inside of here, almost like that A-frame deal that continues all along right here. So creates the illusion of having plenty of space. Plus, this is an extended patio, so you do have plenty of space, which is a plus. And these are typically going to be built on 70-foot lots. So there are some inventory that is being built and available for you, depending if you need more space or less space. I love this area out here. Perfect for relaxing after a long, hard days of work. All right. And then that is the back of the property. So that, folks, is the lovely Perry Homes. All right, Rankin family. So that was Perry Homes. So I want to just kind of stress a couple things as far as some of these builds that we showcase on the channel. So a lot of times some people will get wrapped up as to where that particular build is or where that model house is located, just because they think that that's the only place that it is available. And most of the times, especially with these major builders like Perry Homes, Toll Brothers, Tri-Point Homes, I mean, the list can go on and on and on. David Weekley, they showcase certain particular plans in different communities, but they definitely can build those in other communities as well, all around the Houston area as far as suburbs are concerned. And they could also build on your lot depending if you found a particular location that you want, but you definitely want that plan. So I always recommend that you reach out to the information below. We can get you a customized plan that's tailored for you, just depending on your personal needs. No matter how far out you are, I don't care if you're 5 years out, 10 years out, 3 months out, reach out. We'll get you taken care of. I have all the connections that you need. I'm a one-stop shop and I'll get you taken care of. Of course, let me know what you thought about this particular plan in the comments below, and I'll see you folks on the next property tour.